Yes, sir. Rise and grind, man. Back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video, we got a 2016 GMC Terrain, 3.5 V6, and it's an all-wheel drive SLT. We're doing a power steering pump and rack and pinion, and we're gonna replace the outer tie rods while we at it. Brand new. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
As you can see, we got it up in the air so we can work on it. Alright, so I do want to show you what we're looking like up under here. This whole setup. Alright, it's an all-wheel drive, so we got a differential right here. Move on back. Alright, so what we have here, see, we got the rack, but over the rack is sitting up under the motor mount. That right there is the motor mount. It's got 3 bolts holding it in. Right there. We got to remove this mount. Once we get this mount off, we can get to that rack and pinion. Back over here on the passenger side, while we over here, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the belt. I'll take these little screws out here. All right, we got that flap off there. Gotta get up here. That's our tensioner. Got a half-inch ratchet on that, and you just wanna push back. Got that belt off. Alright, next we got 3 bolts holding that pump in. So that's how that pump sits up in there. Bottom, side, top. That's what I'm using, a 13mm deep socket and a 3/8 ratchet. So I went ahead and broke those free. Now I'm gonna go ahead and work on this that bottom bolt. Get that line off and get that hose off there. Catch pan. And we can get to this bolt here. So that's an 18mm. Put a wrench on that. Okay, so these the top bolt and the bottom bolt is in the front. Now, this bolt right here is in the back of the pump. So you gotta get that. You can see my wrench is on there. It's just a short wrench, 13mm. That's all 3 of the bolts, man. That middle one, that was crazy how they got that design. All right, now we gotta get this connector off right here. All right, this hose right here, take that clamp off, I already got it off. And you want to get a flathead or some type of pick and pick that, get up through there, because it's gonna be stuck on there. But I got it. So when it's gonna come off now. Alright. Come on out with it. Turn it around that way. Pulley facing down. Come right out. Yep. Alright, we're gonna get this thing off, get the pulley off. Position that up under there so it can catch both sides. Get that down like that. Sleeve. Alright, that's how I got that set up. I'm gonna hold that nut there and turn that 16 mil. Hit that to the right. It'll push it off. Just like that. Alright, so we're gonna get this piece here. Take it off. 10 mil bolts holding it in. One on that side, two on that side. And put it on the new one. Alright, get a flathead, pry up on that. It's a gasket right there. Should have a new one. We'll see. And one of those gaskets. Get that off. You get a pick or a flathead. Change those out. Brand new installed. Alright, go ahead and install that pulley. Screw that down so you can't screw it no more. Alright, that's the setup for that one. And you just hold the top bolt and turn this one. Pretty much you can ratchet it. When that's flush, you got it right. That's it.